In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo search in Chrome. If your Chrome browser is using Yahoo as the default search engine when you would rather use Google, don't worry. This is usually a quick setting change, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded before moving on to the next step. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top area of the browser window and click on your profile icon. This is the small profile picture or avatar that appears in Chrome, usually near the upper right corner. Clicking there will open a small menu with different options related to your Chrome account and browser settings. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main Chrome settings page, where you can control how the browser behaves. If you've never visited this section before, don't worry, it's organized in a fairly simple way and the option we need is easy to find. Inside Settings, look for the Search Engine section. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may appear in the left-hand menu or somewhere on the main settings page. Click into the search engine settings so you can view and manage which search provider Chrome is currently using. Next, click the option that lets you change the search engine. Here, you should see a list of available search providers. From that list, select Google. This tells Chrome that you want Google to handle your searches instead of Yahoo. After selecting Google, click Set as Default. This is the key step that applies the change and makes Google your main search engine going forward. Once that's done, Chrome should begin using Google for searches made from the address bar. If you want to confirm the change worked, you can open a new tab, type a search into the address bar, and press Enter. If the results open in Google, then everything has been updated successfully. If Chrome keeps switching back to Yahoo later, that can sometimes mean a browser extension or another setting is interfering. But in many cases, changing the default search engine solves the issue right away. That's it. You've now updated your Chrome search settings and set Google as the default search engine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.